Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the JBL Soundgear Sense open ear earbuds. So keep that in mind, they don't really rest in your ears for truly noise isolation. They're open ear, so basically allowing you to hear a lot more of your surroundings. This is intended, okay? So just keep that in mind. They're also IP54 rated, so they're splash resistant. So might be good for people that like to jog outside, want to hear the surroundings as they go, or maybe they ride a bike. And if, of course, it's raining, this won't stop you. So this is like one quick scenario or two, I guess, I could explain in which this will work quite well for some folks. Okay, so going to the earbuds themselves, they're kind of stuck in there, but here we are. And they are rather large, but they're intended to be like that because the hook, or whatever you want to call them, the ring, the half ring, goes around your ear. Not, again, they don't go in your ear. They're meant to hook around your ear to give you as much comfort as possible. Some people, I guess, just don't like earbuds in the ear, and this is kind of like the solution for this product. There's a quick start guide on how to wear it, interesting enough, which I just kind of explained very quickly. But hey, it's there you go. You know what? Here's an extra paper explaining how to wear them. I can't get the case out. It's like I'm ripping the paper and I still can't able to get it out. It's like really snug. Okay, so the case is a bit large, but then again, so the earbuds, so it's expected. You have large earbuds, therefore you will have a large charging case. It's kind of expected. So keep that in mind. If you plan to keep this in your pocket or something, this is huge, all right? But again, you should know that by the size of the earbuds. You can kind of see them through the box. So just place them in there. They don't magnetically seal right away. You kind of have to shift around with them. These kind of details will go more over in the review, but just quick note, they don't just kind of plop in and magnetically seal really quick and easy. I had to kind of wiggle them to get them right in the charging position. It might not be a big deal for some, but for some people that are always in a rush, it might be. I guess this is a headband attachment to kind of wrap around the back of your head. I've never used this type of earbuds before, so again, I'll test that in the review, that little accessory. And safety warranty information is huge. I guess it's multilingual, but it's still massive. And there's a quick start guide is the other pamphlet. Unfortunately, it's a USB-A to USB-C cable. It's not pure USB-C, and that's pretty much it. So again, details in the review and a link to that will be in the video description, as well as a link to my website and social media links. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.